Yo, you see this officer right here just pulled me over, talking about I ain't have a seatbelt on. That is the oldest chick in the fucking book. And it's a female Spandito officer, Latina. This shit is crazy, my nigga. Look at this shit, bro. Look at this shit, bro. On 2/5, bro. Look at this shit, bro. There's no problem. She over here, she pissed off. They got on traffic duty. Pulled me over for not having my seatbelt on. I'm 127th Street. Are you serious? I just took my seatbelt off. She talking crazy, bro. I have my seatbelt on since I got in my car. She over here trying to make quotas. I'm getting her name, her badge number, everything. Lying ass cop, my nigga. What you pulling me over for? She dead ass writing the ticket. She had my fucking, she had my license for about an hour, my nigga. And I saw her, when I drove past her, I saw her pulling another nigga over. It's Friday. This shit is crazy, dog. This is the NYPD. This is the Blasio. All this bullshit, man. They lying. I got a camera in my car, man. She fucked up. I got a camera in the car as well. So you saying, why did you pull me over? She said it was a seatbelt. She ain't say nothing else. I just gave her my license registration. Like, I don't even know what she talking about, my nigga. Look, and she got me in a bus stop. Look where I'm at. 2/5. Look at this shit, bro. Why? 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 I bet you this shit take an hour. Yo, dogs.
Directions are writing your ticket. 16 days for not guilty or guilty.
Yeah, fuck you, man. Fuck out of here. Hope you fucking die, you lying ass bitch. Fuck out of here, yo. Fuck out of here.